Hi there, my name is Henry Tenby, creator of the JetFlix TV streaming service. Back in May of 2013, Dave Walton, the owner of the Cold War jets collection at the Bruntingthorpe airfield, invited me to film the event. The purpose was to make an extensive documentation through high-definition video of all the aircraft that they had in the collection. As an aircraft connoisseur, I made special efforts to put numerous GoPro cameras on the various aircraft to film them both internally and externally as they were running their engines during their high-speed taxis. Now, I know many of you are connoisseurs like myself and would like to see the full unedited versions of those GoPro clips from the various aircraft that were filmed during those few days. This video clip that you're about to see is one of several that we're exclusively sharing here on the JetFlix TV platform, and I hope you enjoy it as much as I do.